This is the Rushikulia beach, a nondescript beach along the Orissa coastline, very close to the Rushikulia river mouth. The 4.5 kilometer stretch of beach surrounding the Rushikulia river, which is adjacent to the traditional fishing villages of Podampeta, Gokharkuda and Purnabandha, witnesses one of nature's spectacular events, the mass breeding of the endangered olive ridley turtles. Olive ridleys are the smallest marine turtles found in the Indian waters, weighing just over 40 kg and measuring 60 to 70 cm in length. During the months of November to January, male and female olive ridleys migrate several thousand kilometers from their feeding areas in the warm tropical waters of mainly the Indian and Pacific Oceans to the offshore waters of their breeding grounds in search of a mate. During mating, the male mounts on the female, holding her with his claws in his foreflippers. Both males and females may mate with several different individuals.
टर्टल जो जगह में नेस्टिंग करता है वो जगह का जो रेत जो बालू है वो एकदम पूरा बारीक थिन होना चाहिए. रिवर माउथ भी वो लोकेशन में होना चाहिए. वो जगह में जो इलीगल फिशिंग का नहीं होना चाहिए. इनको फीडिंग का, टेम्परेचर का, सब हर एक चीज़ के ऊपर उनको फैसिलिटी होने से ही टर्टल आके अंडा देगा.
Several weeks after mating, generally in the months of February or March, the females come ashore in huge numbers to nest. This synchronized mass nesting is known as arribada, meaning arrival in Spanish. Nesting is primarily a night activity. The adult female olive ridleys crawl out of the sea and drag their heavy bodies up the shore. After finding a suitable nesting site, they clear the surface sand and dig out a pit about 1.5 feet deep with their flippers. Each female lays about 100 to 130 eggs in the nest. They thump the nest with their bodies to make it compact and throw sand with their flippers to camouflage it. A single female may nest 2 to 3 times in the same season. The eggs are vulnerable to predation from birds, jackals, and dogs. Sometimes a turtle may destroy another female's nest in the urge to build her own nest. The eggs hatch after about 50 to 60 days. Eggs incubated at 31 to 32 degrees Celsius will produce only females, and eggs incubated at 28 degrees Celsius or less will produce only males. An incubation temperature of 29 degree to 30 degrees Celsius will produce a mixed gender clutch. The baby turtles are completely independent at birth and never see their mothers. The eggs hatch mostly at night, simultaneously over a period of few days. The brighter horizon on the open seaside guides the hatchlings as they rush towards the sea. They reach sexual maturity after 15 to 20 years, after which the female turtles will swim back to the beach of their birth to lay eggs every 1 to 3 years, while the males will migrate annually from the feeding areas to the mating grounds. The Orissa Forest Department, several non-government organizations like the Rushikulia Sea Turtle Protection Committee and the local community are helping to provide protection to the olive ridleys during nesting and hatching season.
अभी इंटरनेशनल में ये ऋषिकुलिया जो बीच है, जो ऑलिव रिडले नेस्टिंग साइट 2 नंबर में, लेकिन आज का ज़माना में अभी हम सोचते हैं, लोग भी सोचते हैं ये काम कंजर्वेशन करना जरूरी है.
Local community, including children, are sensitized about the need to protect this endangered species. Today, the people here are aware of the precious heritage they possess, so they sing in pride about Rishikulia's unique treasure.
বিরল প্রজাতির অলিভ রিডলি কইছ, অলিভ রিডলি কইছ, আন্ডামান নিকোবর, আন্ডামান নিকোবর, মালয়েশিয়া শ্রীলঙ্কা আসিছি মুথায়. হায় হায় রে মনা, হায় হায় রে মনা, হায় হায় রে মনা, নীল সমুদ্রে পড়ি, নীল সমুদ্রে পড়ি, ওড়িশার আগমন, ওড়িশার আগমন, নীল সমুদ্রে মিলন মর, নীল সমুদ্রে মিলন মর.